Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's October 27th, 2025. I'm in the first food forest, taking a break from some of the work on the workshop. I've been busy doing some other work on the BCS tractor and other things. And today what I thought I'd do is harvest a few of the persimmons that are up here. Now, a lot of these are still not ripe, but the deer have a feast with them. Here's one right here. And so these are ripe. Do you see the little wrinkles in the skin and how easily it compresses? So that's when they're completely sweet, like a nice, delicious pudding taste. A lot of them aren't. So this one's a little more yellow and firm. So that one, if you bite into that, well, you will have a hard time with your mouth. It'll take quite some time to get over that feeling. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to try using ratchet here. Now I've got the other fruit trees right here all in the way, but my thought is, can I reach over and get some of the ones on the outside? I'm not going to be able to get the ones on the inside, but I thought I'd just reach up and see if I can grab some of the ones that are nice and soft, since we love these so much. So that's my plan. We'll see if this works at all. Be nice to be able to use ratchet at harvesting fruit if this does work out. Okay, let's see what happens.
In the hills of central New York, where the frost begins to bite, stands a tree with golden treasures, glowing soft in autumn's light. Roots dig deep in loamy soil, through the winters long and cold. American persimmon, you're a story ancient, bold. Oh, persimmon moon, shining sweet and true, your fruit falls soft when the harvest comes in view. From the forest to my table, you're a gift that makes me sing. Persimmon tree, you're the heart of everything. Ripe and creamy, like a dream of honeyed days gone by. Taste of caramel and apricot beneath that orange sky. But catch you green, you'll pucker tight, a lesson sharp and clear. Patience brings a sweetness when the fall is drawing near. Oh, persimmon moon, shining sweet and true, your fruit falls soft when the harvest comes in view. From the forest to my table, you're a gift that makes me sing. Persimmon tree, you're the heart of everything. Cherokee and Algonquin knew your secrets long ago. Dried your fruit for winter's hunger, let your legends grow. From the mammoths to the possums, all have shared your tender prize. Your branches hold the echoes of the earth beneath the skies. In New York's heart, where the cold winds hum, you stand so tall, waiting for the sun. Meter blooms where the wild things roam. You call my soul to the place called home. Plant you deep in springtime, let the sun caress your leaves. Grafted strong or grown from seed, you're tougher than I believe. Through the snow and summer's drought, you'll bear that divine fruit. A taste of time, a taste of truth in every golden root. Oh, persimmon moon, shining sweet and true, your fruit falls soft when the harvest comes in view. From the forest to my table, you're a gift that makes me sing. Persimmon tree, you're You're the heart of everything. So here's to you, persimmon tree, beneath the starry dome. In central New York's rolling hills, you'll always be my home. With every bite I taste the past, the future's yours to bring. Persimmon tree, forever wild, forever I will sing.
Okay, well that was the easiest amount of effort, the least amount of effort that I've ever put into harvesting the persimmons. Usually I'm using the orchard ladders, three-legged ladders, sometimes using a basket on a pole to harvest the fruit and all. But they're absolutely delicious, and I don't have the palate or the vocabulary to describe what American persimmons taste like. I will just say, to me, they're absolutely unique and delicious. And people make persimmons bread, persimmons pudding out of the persimmons, but I like them just eating them raw. And there's too much for us to eat raw here. So here's what I got. In this 5-gallon bucket. Now, some of these, like this one here, I got off, and it's starting to get soft and it's starting to wrinkle some, but it's not completely there. So we can enhance. All right, so we can take the ones that have the wrinkles and the obviously absolutely soft, and they won't have the astringent bite to them when you bite into them. And you really want to make sure they're completely ripe. So I'm going to grab a couple of apples. We could put them in the ones that we're not sure about, we can put into a cardboard box or a paper bag, put an apple or two in there. The apple at this point is going to excrete ethylene gas, and ethylene gas is one of the hormones that enhances and increases the rate of ripening of fruit. So persimmons are one of those fruit that once you harvest them, they can continue to ripen just like apples can. So we'll grab a couple of apples, and that way we can make sure they're completely ripe before anybody bites into them, if there's a question at all. Because it was in the 20s last night, it's going to be in the 20s again tomorrow. You know, and the fruit is just going to fall on the ground and the wildlife will just get to it. So that's my plan. Boy, I really think Ratchet's amazing for this. I did very little damage to those limbs using that piece of equipment. And I'm not sure how well anything's going to show up on video. But it was a good experience. And a much less effort on my part, which is great. So I guess that's about it for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And by all means, folks, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.